A very good evening to one and all. Myself, Dr. Radhika Satishan, working as a gynecologist at Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda Foundation Hospital. So, I welcome you all for today's session. I think most of you are part of Ayurveda Map, and if you are new to Ayurveda Map, I invite you specially for today's session. So today we have the introductory session. So first of all, just giving a brief intro about what is Ayurveda Map. Ayurveda Map was started by a group of young doctors in the year 2016, and it was officially inaugurated in 2017 by the most respected Dr. P.M. Warrier sir. So at first, we started our in-hand practical sessions. So these were our in-hand practical sessions, like Marmayu, Marma Bandha, it was about bandaging session, then 3 sessions of Varnyam, that was a cosmetic therapy series, then Medi Sujok about the Sujok therapy, Agneyam about Agni Karma, and Vistara, that was a business development for the medical professionals. And due to the COVID situations and with the warm responses that we received from our participants, we continued our journey through online sessions from January 2020 onwards. So these are the online sessions. So we again kickstart with Varnyam. Varnyam, actually, to be frank, it was one of our highlights of Ayurveda Map. It was regarding the practical session on Ayurveda cosmetic therapies. Then we had about Brajaka, dermatology, Gala, thyroid diseases. Prayana was a reorientation program to Ayurveda students and young doctors. And then we had Kriti about Ayurveda product making, Dhyana about yoga, Nayana about eye diseases, and Vibha, that was regarding the cosmetic preparations. So that was the first class on the cosmetic preparations. And then we had one of our, again, highlight was about the Ayurveda gynecology session, that is Pushya. Followed by, we had a Medas, obesity and diabetes. We had Shipra, cupping therapy. Raksha, again, a second session on the Garbha Samskara, antenatal and postnatal care. And again, we had Varnyam session, then Chara session. That was a recent one. And we also started a new venture, that is Swadhyaya, to support the students academically during the pandemic time. So we give away recorded classes, detailed notes, one-to-one doubt clearance, question paper, and research article discussions. So one of our upcoming session is Anubhava. That is a free webinar series actually. And this time, every 2 weeks, we conduct this Anubhava. It is sponsored by Dr. P. Ali Kutti's Kottagal Ayurveda Pharmacy. And it is organized by us, that is Ayurveda Map. So this time we are having it on this 9th Sunday. So it is from 7:30 onwards, evening time. And the topic that will be dealt with during this is the clinical applicability of Agra Aushadas in Vadaroga by Dr. Jayan Sadanandan. So it's a free session, so you all can join in our Anubhava free session. So now we are here at Vibha, that is a session on the cosmetic preparation organized by Ayurveda Map and sponsored by Relax Kerala. So these are the topics that will be majorly dealt in Vibha. So we have the creams, that is cream-based preparation, Eladi moisturizing cream, day cream, fairness cream, Kumkumadi cream, and different types of cream preparations. Then we will be having the gel preparations, like how to make a gel base, and what is this aloe vera gel, how to make kesar gel, anti-acne gel, etc. And also we have sessions on lotion and toners, how to make a lotion, and different types of lotions, like the sunscreen lotion, aloe vera lotion. So a detailed class regarding how these things like creams, gels, and lotions can be prepared is what we are mainly dealing in Vibha. So first of all, let me tell you, we'll be having mainly 2 sessions. That is tomorrow, that is January 4th, we'll be having the first online live session. And then on mostly on January 12th, we'll be having the second session, live session on this Vibha, of this Vibha. And the rest, all these things like the cream preparations, gel preparations, lotion, these we'll be providing you recorded classes. So this recorded classes will be having 3 months access time only. The access period is 3 months only of this recorded class. So there will be mainly 2 live sessions, and the rest is like 6 practical sessions with discussions. And so today we are here at the introductory class. So our Vibha session is the person who is dealing with our Vibha session is Dr. Hasna Shabir. She is a well-known Ayurvedic cosmetology specialist at Puliyampatta Vaidyashala, Wayanad, and she did her BMS from KMCT, PG Diploma in Beauty Therapy from Kerala University, and she also did a certificate course in beauty therapy, also a PG Diploma in Clinical Cosmetology, and she is also a yoga instructor, and she has done the yoga instructor course from S. Vyasa. So I guess that she is one of the very apt person for this Vibha session. So with warm welcome, I invite you, madam, for our today's session. So today we'll be having the introductory class. So after this introductory class, you can enroll yourself for the cosmetic therapy course, preparation making course. So that's it about this. Welcome you, ma'am, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. I will share my slide.
Yes, ma'am. One second. Yes.
And 300 classical and cosmetic products. In our classical and cosmetic product include Kashaya, Taila, Grida, Churna, and cosmetic products of eye care, skin care, and hair care product. I think in Ayurveda we are already completed eye care and skin care and hair care product also. Now I'm selling all these items to my patient and doctors. We have associated with Dr. Jasul in his various sessions conducted by Ayurveda. We have given training to more than 1,000 Ayurveda doctors in this session, and I feel proud that most of the students of this session are successfully preparing various products taught by us. So today I will shortly explain in coming session. I think nowadays Ayurveda beauty is very popular. Herbal-based cosmetics are very much in demand in the market. Ayurveda beauty is one of the trending business. We can make different combination using our herbal medicine that is completely skin safe and result oriented. The major differences from other product is that we are primarily using classical medicines for our preparation and is free of harmful chemicals and skin friendly. So we can give our product to our patient according to skin and climate. So tomorrow session you can watch. We are using different herbal medicines like Eladikera, Nalpamadikera, like that. In every preparation, I am using herbal medicines only. I am not using any of the harmful chemicals like Kojica like that. We are using some of my special preparation like Varnam oil and infused water like that. And before starting cosmetic preparation, I would like to tell you a few things that you should generally consider. First and foremost, do not compromise to use good quality raw materials. And you all know we get our raw products from variety of sources. They all have various quality since the result of the product is depending on the ingredients raw materials. Make sure you use only best quality medicines. This mainly we are taking different types of chemicals and some raw drugs, etc. So make sure that this is best and first quality. Then next, regarding pricing, the pricing is very important in marketing. So regarding the pricing of your product, you must calculate expense of your raw materials and packaging materials. You need not to make the price too low because buyer is ready to spend on good quality cosmetic products, and low price will make him feel that the product is low quality. In our preparation, one of the example is the 25-gram Varnium cream or fairness cream have 100 rupees. But our making cost is 50 to 60 rupees, including bottles. Maximum, approximately 50% percentage is our profit. So this all are very easy and simple procedure and a good quality product. Then majority of sale comes from mouth publicity. So make sure each of your customer is happy with your product. So you can use good quality product and bottles, etc. Because of he will refer more customer to you. You can start your sale on your cosmetic to your family and close friend, and then to your own patient, and later to customers outside. In that phase, you can depend on social media marketing also. Now nowadays social media marketing is very popular. We are using Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you can do social media marketing also. You can also conduct awareness classes to public regarding general health issues, and in between the class you can add details of your product. Like if you are taking adolescent education class, you can add your product like churnas or like cream. Advice to patient use Kungumadi cream or fairness cream, etc. This also very business. Then, like any other area, hard work is the key to success. So you should be passionate in all these things and always think of new ideas, like how to make your product more effective and attractive, etc. So I will give new idea about different preparation of creams, different types of lotion, toners, etc. So after this session, I think you can get idea about how to prepare medicines like Eladi or Nalpamaradi according to condition. I make sure that you can get good idea, and you can prepare good quality preparation. Then during the procedure, first to maintain the hygiene and follow good manufacturing practice. So before starting procedure, you should aware about this, and make sure that your area is completely clean. So you can use isopropyl alcohol like that, and or use cotton cloth and clean the area. The cleaning is must. And spray your workplace vessels, spoons, and all equipments, then wipe clean with a disposable kitchen towel. I will show how to clean in tomorrow session. I will show you how to clean your vessel using isopropyl alcohol, how to maintain hygiene, etc. Then next is labeling also very important. For labeling, you can use good quality bottles, and use good quality labeling also. Then keep a cotton cloth, because if you are preparing creams or any other cosmetic preparation, we need to clean our hand or area. So you can use cotton cloth or tissue paper. Then avoid all distraction. That is very important, because we are using different types of chemicals like Evax, Soli 1000, like that. These all are skin safe chemicals, but better to avoid, keep away from children and pets. Then next, these are the main equipment. So tomorrow session, you can see these are the main equipment we are using in our preparation. First is weighing machine. Weighing machine, you can use 0.1 gram to 200 gram. Then we need measuring jar, then stove or induction cooker, then vessels. Vessels, you can use normal steel vessels or glass vessels also. Then isopropyl alcohol for proper clean. Then next, Rodrex. In Rodrex, cleaning is very important, and first quality is very important. I have already told that you can select good quality raw materials. Then clean the Rodrex before using, because it may contain dirt and impurities. So you should wash and dry before using. Otherwise patient feel itching or skin irritation. So in every preparation before using wash and brighten the shade. Then these are our preparation. We are making different powders. We have we have herbal garden also. We have dryer. So in my hospital, I think 500 near product we are self making. These are the powder. Then the packaging is also very important. You can use attractive bottles like glass bottle, acrylic bottle, plastic bottle, etc. And high quality containers. The quality and looking also very important. And some of the drugs like serum, vitamin C, like that, damaging by sunlight, so you can use amber glass bottles. Then these are the products I'm making in my clinic. I'm giving to my patient and customers. It's all have very good feedback. My students also following same product. In Ayurveda session, we have already completed this whole session. Tomorrow, Viva session, I will explain I will explain in next slide. In the forthcoming session, I will be teaching few of our result-oriented herbal Ayurvedic cosmetic products that include cream, butters, gel, lotion, toners, etc. So in creams and butters, our first is cream-based preparation. So I will explain how to prepare cream base using different oils, like in or dry skin condition you can use coconut oil. And then other skin condition, how to use oil according to skin. So in some preparation we are using almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, etc. So I will tomorrow I will explain which condition which oil we can use. Then next is Eladi moisturizing cream, one of the best moisturizer using Eladi coconut oil. I will explain how to prepare, and we have to base how to mixing and how to preparing also. And instead of Eladi oil, you can use any other oil according to skin. Then day cream have small SPF, but in day cream we are not using any other chemicals, but naturally oil containing SPF. Then fairness cream is one of the my main combination and fast moving product. This product we are using infused method decoction, and other one oil is self prepare, that is Varnim oil. Then Kungumadi cream using Kungumadi oil. The fairness and Kungumadi oil mainly used for hyperpigmentation and skin glow. It will help to improving glowing also. Then anti-stretch mark cream. I think you know the importance of stretch mark. Mainly advised up to 3 months to after delivery. Then under eye cream for under eye circle, and sunscreen matte. In sunscreen session, I will be explaining how to use sunscreen, how to prepare sunscreen, how to select SPF, etc. Then body butter and food butter. In cream, we have two type preparation, that is water based and oil based preparation. In the body butter and food butter is oil based preparation. In this preparation, we are not using any of the chemicals, that is Evax, oleum-percent, that we are not using in these butters. Not need to add preservative also. It have wonderful result. You can use baby also, newborn baby also. Then next is gel making. Gel making is very simple procedure. I think you know gels we are using in oily skin. So our first preparation is gel base. After preparing gel base, we can add different types of extract, and you can make different types of gel also. Then aloe vera gel with the vitamin E, and kesar gel. Kesar gel we are using, we have two method, that is infused method and extraction method. Then anti-acne gel. In anti-acne gel, we are using different extract, essential oils, decoction also. And anti-agent also, we are using our herbal medicines like decoction. So in both gel, we are preparing first decoction. So I will explain how to prepare decoction and how to preserve decoction also. then rose gel, hair gel, and hibiscus gel. Hibiscus gel is one of the infused method. Then Varnium gel. Then next is lotion. First is lotion base. If you are preparing lotion base, it is very easy procedure. According to skin type, you can select the essential oil or perfume. Then you can give your patient. Then other is almond butter lotion. It is very good for dry skin. I think you know lotion is mainly we are using for dry skin condition. It is a moisturizing effect. Then sunscreen lotion and aloe vera lotion. Aloe vera lotion we are using extract. Then Varnium body lotion. This also my fast moving product. Then moisturizing body lotion and henna lotion. So this all are different combination. In every preparation, I am making different combination and different chemicals. Then toner. Toner, I think you know importance of the toner. It will helps to clean your skin and it is good pH balancer. And our session we are discussing anti-acne toner, rose turmeric toner, sensitive skin toner, and a normal skin toner. In toner preparation, we need to use a gas stove. It is just a 5-minute procedure and very cost-effective procedure and very easy procedure. And after completing this session, you may contact me if you need raw materials for preparing this product, as you will find it difficult to get good quality raw materials and packaging materials in small quantity from market or online store. Then highlights of the session, in all product I will give detailed PDF notes with the description of preparation procedure, ingredients and indication. And every product separate theory and practical session for each product. And doubt clarification may be done through my WhatsApp or Telegram anytime. So after the session also you can ask any question in my WhatsApp number or Telegram. I will explaining. The ingredients I am sharing in my class is based on my experience and knowledge. You all can try new combination on your own. After the session, you can prepare different types of creams, lotion, etc. After attending this workshop, I'm confident that all of you will be able to prepare different cosmetic product using herbal medicines. Now I'm selling to my patient and a few of my friends and few doctors. So you can watch tomorrow session. It is very useful session and very easy procedure. Any question you have?
Thank you, madam. Madam will be sharing the pictures from tomorrow onwards. So those people who are enrolling to this will have the access to all the sessions, and you can also have a discussion session also. So the pictures and all sharing will be done from tomorrow onwards. And I'm sorry to say that there is a small mistake from my part. Like the videos will be accessible for 6 months time. Okay. So you can get access to the videos for around 6 months time. Okay. So thank you once. Thank you, madam, for explaining us what all will be there, so that our participants can choose, and if they are interested, they can enroll also. So now I invite